Looking for a simple way to upgrade your kitchen or pantry storage? Anchor Hocking Penny Glass Jars offer a clean, classic look with practical benefits that make organizing a breeze. These 1-gallon glass jars come with silver brushed metal lids featuring oversized knobs for easy gripping. No more fumbling when you need quick access. Plus, their substantial weight keeps them steady on your countertop, so you won't have to worry about spills or tipping over. What sets these jars apart is their versatility. Whether you're storing flour, rice, coffee, spices, or even pre-wrapped snacks like bars and cookies, these jars handle it all. They're also perfect for non-food items like laundry pods or dryer sheets. While the lids don't create a suction seal, they slide smoothly onto the thick, weighted bottoms to protect your goods while still making retrieval effortless. The wide mouth and thick glass walls make scooping out contents easy, reducing mess and hassle. Durability and safety are key here. Made from lead-free, BPA-free glass, these jars won't warp, stain, or retain odors like plastic containers often do. That means your food stays fresh without risk of harmful chemicals leaching in. Plus, cleaning is a snap. The matching lids wipe down easily and keep their shine, although they do show fingerprints. If you want, a quick spray paint can customize the look to suit your style. These jars don't just perform well, they look great too. Their clear glass design brightens up any space, turning cluttered counters and pantries into organized, attractive areas. One user even shared how their daughter noticed the pantry felt instantly more put together with these jars in place. And with Anchor Hocking's proud history of American craftsmanship since 1905, you're getting quality you can trust, made right here in Ohio. If you're ready to bring order and style to your home storage, Anchor Hocking Penny Glass Jars are worth a look. They offer the perfect balance of function and aesthetics without breaking the bank. Whether you want to keep your pantry neat or your laundry room tidy, these jars make it easier and more enjoyable. Try them when you're ready to see the difference clear, durable glass can make.